Hi students, in the previous video we discussed about cell cycle. This video we shall study the next part of the lesson, that is mitosis. So to know about mitosis, first thing is, what are the reasons for the mitosis, children? The reasons are, the first thing is for growth, then repair or healing, and it takes place in asexual reproduction. The mitotic cells constantly divide, children. So where does this division takes place? It takes place in the embryo, in the skin cells, and in the gut lining cells. There are some cells which do not divide or very rarely divide, children. What are those cells? They are the nerve cells in the brain, the cells in the spinal cord, and the cells in the heart or cardiac cells. These all don't undergo any cell division, or we can say very rarely. Then what kind of cells would perform mitosis, children? So it is the somatic cells or body cells, except gametic cells, children, that is egg and sperm. Other than this, all the cells undergo mitosis. Then what are the sites of mitosis in plants, children? Meristematic region, root apex, shoot apex, intercalary meristem, lateral meristem, leaves, embryo. So all this undergo mitosis in plants. In animals, it is the embryo or the skin bone marrow which undergoes cell division, children, that is mitotic cell division. Sometimes even some haploid and diploid cells divide mitotically, where new cells receive one copy of every chromosome that are present in the original cell and produces two daughter cells genetically which are exactly like the parent. This we call it as what? Mitosis. Then what are the phases of mitosis, children? We have basically the cell life has two phases, karyokinesis and cytokinesis, children. Now what is karyokinesis? It is the division of the nucleus, children. Karyon means nucleus. And we have four phases, children, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These are the different phases of mitosis. The first phase is called prophase, children. In prophase, the cell begins and the chromosomes condense. Here and nuclear envelope disappears, children. In prophase, nuclear envelope disappears and the centrioles migrate to the opposite poles of the cell and spindle fibers and asters are formed. Clear, children? So what happens during prophase, children? So in prophase, the spindle fibers are formed, then the centrioles start moving to the opposite poles. And the second is the metaphase, children. So in metaphase, what happens? The chromosomes all will come and line up at the equatorial plane, forming metaphase plate, where the centrioles are at the opposite poles. Clear, children? So in metaphase, the chromosomes come and arrange at the equatorial plane. Then what about anaphase, children? In anaphase, the centromeres divide. This is very important, children. The centromeres divide and the chromosomes are pulled to the opposite poles. And then the spindle fibers contract and the chromosomes are pulled to the opposite poles. The next phase is telophase, children. Here the nucleus actually divides and the chromosomes are at the poles of the cell, where a nuclear membrane reappears around the two sets of chromosome, followed by cytokinesis. So cytokinesis is nothing but it's the division of cytoplasm. And in animal cell, a cleavage furrow forms and separates the daughter cells, children. But in plant cells, you can see a cell plate which separates the two daughter cells. So clearly we can see the cytokinesis in animal cell with the cleavage furrow, and in plant cells it's the cell plate which separates the two daughter cells. Clear, children? So in animal cell it's a cleavage furrow, in plant cell it is the cell plate. So cytokinesis can be seen both in plant cells and animal cells. And what about the mitosis in both plant cell and animal cell, children? In animal cell, the centrioles and asters are present. In plant cell, during mitotic cell division, such structures are not found, that is asters and centrioles. And the daughter cells are separated with the cleavage furrow in animal cell, and in plant cell, it is the cell plate. Then finally, we'll come to the overall process involved in mitosis, children. The first is the prophase. First phase is the prophase phase and the second one metaphase. anaphase, telophase, where two daughter cells are formed, followed by cytokinesis, which these two daughter cells again undergo interphase or preparatory cell phase to form cell division. So what are the functions of mitosis, children? In mitosis, we can see number of cells lead to growth and repair of damaged tissues, and you can see asexual reproduction in some animals like amoeba, and also you can see there is oogenesis and spermatogenesis. So this actually takes place in meiosis, children, but in the beginning where the 2n is reduced to n number, this process is done in meiosis, but here we can see the beginning stage of gametogenesis takes place in mitosis, children. And a negative side to cell division is that uncontrollable mitosis results in cancer or tumors. Clear, children? So this is about mitosis. See you in the next video. Thank you.